This tutorial will go over how to modify Dropbox assignments with differentiated release conditions. This will be done in D2L Brightspace. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to Assessments and select Dropbox. Once I'm here, I'm going to get a list of the weekly assignments I've already created. I'm going to use week 2 assignment for this example. So you'll notice at the top there is a selection for edit folder. So I'm going to edit for week 2. And then there are 3 tabs at the top: properties, restrictions, and objectives. So I'm going to be selecting restrictions so that we can make our changes. So once you get on this page, you'll have your assigned due date, start and end date for your availability. But if you need to put in special conditions or accesses for your students, you'll be scrolling down to the bottom. So under special access, you see the first one that's selected is allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for this folder. So you might have a student that has a special plan that leaves them extended time from the due dates for the assignments. So this is where you can make changes. So I'm going to click on Add User to Special Access. And once I'm here now, I can make my changes. So it has the date for 4/9. I'm going to change it to the 10th. And then you can change your time if necessary. Now with availability, you can make it so that it's available earlier or later for those accommodations. So what I'll do is I'll just extend the availability into the 10th as well. So the last thing you'll have to do is choose the students that you will be applying this special access. So at the bottom, you can either use the search bar or you can just select the student that's on the list. So I'm going to select my demo student just as an example. And you can choose more than one if necessary, but I'm just going to choose one and then save. So now you'll notice in the week 2 folder, once you go down under special access, you do have that student, and if you need to make any changes, you can select the little pencil icon or the X to cancel it. After that, you can save and close.